Welcome to another one of my cheesy YouTube videos. Hey there, I'm trying to get the front clip off of this old Dodge truck. At the back of the fender, under the hood, you got a series of bolts that I've taken out. I've already taken one hinge off and I went right here to get to the bolts under it. There are two bolts right up underneath here that had to come out. Back in this hole by the kick panel, one on each side, you pull the little plastic plug out, take yourself an extension, and there's a bolt inside of there. I'm not sure if I got that bolt out or did I strip it. If I stripped it, that's yet another bridge to cross. Up underneath the truck, right behind the front bumper, there's a bolt up in here. One on the other side also. It's 11/16. Besides that, I think all the other bolts have been 1/2 inch except for the hinges, which are 9/16. I'm going to try to get this clip off. I'm going to try to get the cab and the bed off and haul this frame out of here so I can put a little Volkswagen Rabbit pickup truck in here, because it's going to be a project that I wasn't planning on buying the truck. I found it the other day online. It's in great shape body-wise, so I want to fix her up because I used to have one and I drove it for my daily driver. Okay, let's recap it. The clip is sitting the front end down. This is the bottom of the fender. You got two bolts that attach it to the body. There's a little strut that comes out of here that attaches it to the body. You got one bolt up top that you got to get through from inside the cab. You got a series of bolts on the tops of the fender, under the hood. You get your hood hinge, and underneath, down the front clip, you got above the frame, you got two bolts or studs attaching to the frame, one on each side. You got to take your wiring harness off the fender. You'll travel along the inside of the driver's side fender, then it goes around the front clip and over for the headlights. You got a hose right here that I undid. I actually broke it. It went through the fender. That goes through your water bottle for your windshield washer. On my project truck, the hood was already off, but you need to take the hood off to take the front clip off. Got two bolts on each side. Lower the hood till you can still reach in there. Loosen your bolts up. Take your forward bolt completely off and take your back bolt off last. Then get a friend to help lift the hood off. Be careful that the hood don't slide into the windshield. I lower the hood, set it on something, wood blocks or something, to where it's sitting as flat as I can possibly get to and still get to it. If you're putting the hood back together, just look for the old paint marks where the washers used to go. Well, thank you for watching my video. And remember, if you love life and learning new things, go aimless.com.